everyone, I'm harvesting my fenugreek green this morning. They've been overdue to be harvested for a little long, so I'm gonna do that today. And so on the other side of the fenugreek patch, the leaves look burnt, so very heat sensitive. And my daughter came along with me and she's helping me harvesting some tomatoes, and my little girl, she's my good garden girl. She helps me around sometimes. And after that, I've got some French breakfast radishes, and they look lovely. And I also got one white radish, and then started picking some beans, but it was just too hot, so I just couldn't continue. So this is all from my garden this morning. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next video. Thank you. Bye for now.